hello. Tony from T-Perfume is here, and I'm really very excited because we are started to make our little series of rare and interesting essential oils what we are using in our perfumery, and it's the first one for us. And please support us, click with this hearts, because we need some hearts, and etc. And the second point is I must honestly apologize, my native language is not English, and if it's very painful to you to listen, anyway, I hope so far you can understand it's okay, but I promised improve my English very soon. So today before we start, let's see who is online, and for who I can say hello. Okay, does we have somebody? Okay, let's start. The first essential oils what we will talk about today is the Thymus Vulgaris. And Thymus Vulgaris is very beautiful little flowers with very little, let's say, very little rose colors flowers, and even the ancient Egyptians dedicated these flowers to the goddess Aphrodite. And we are in perfumery, we are calling this essential oil like a little aphrodisiac. But before we are talking about these essential oils, we can talk about this beautiful flower. Even you can use this flower in your culinary. For example, if you are making some soups or tomato sauces, or when you're preparing some meat or fish food, you can add little bit these flowers in this food, and it's giving to you absolutely an amazing aromat and very interesting taste. But please, a little bit, because it's really very strong and very strong scented plant. And the essential oil we are getting from these beautiful flowers and leaves, and the essential oil scent is really very strong, intensive, a little bit grassy, little bit woody and leather at the same time. So it's incredible combination. You can use this essential oil even for example, for spiritual help. It can help for decision making. It's giving more strengthness, and it gives power. Also it helps live in harmony with yourself, and also improves the memory. And you can add this essential oil, for example, in diffuser, for room diffuser. If you are using room diffuser, just only 1, 2, maximum 3 drops, no more. Or, like I'm doing, I'm taking the 10 milliliter distillated water. I'm adding here 9 drops of Thymus Vulgaris essential oil, and I just refresh my room air, and it's so fresh and it's so good. It's really wonderful. And in the meantime, I can read some affirmation like I'm motivated and focused, and I am internally strong, and etc. Okay. Also, this essential oils, Thymus Vulgaris, is used for some therapeutic properties, like for pain relief, or like antibacterial and antidepressant. But please, always before you decided to use Thymus Vulgaris essential oil for therapeutical properties, always before consultate with your doctor. please. And definitely Thymus vulgaris essential oil you can't use during pregnancy and during the breastfeeding. Be careful. Thymus, as I told before, Thymus vulgaris, it's very strong essential oil, and it's not very good to add directly to your skin because it can be possible skin irritation. If you want to add directly to your skin, please mix before with a carrier oil like jojoba oil. Take 2 drops jojoba oil and 1 drop of Thymus vulgaris essential oil. Mix it and start to test it carefully how it's reacting with your skin. So before we continue and before we are going to the funny part, let's see, does we have any questions here? And guys, as we are doing that the first time, please help us, protect us, support us with the hearts, and it's a funny part to have a discussion here with you. So the second part of this Thymus vulgaris essential oils, it's a little bit funny. If you love, for example, horoscope. By horoscope, Thymus vulgaris is equivalent for the horoscope sign twins, and by horoscope its number is 7. The element is air, and the planet is Mercury. If you are common in horoscope, you understand what I am talking. But we are in T-Perfume. We are using Thymus vulgaris essential oil in men perfumery, and we have this very wonderful men fragrance Labours, and we are using this essential oil in like a little middle note. I'm going crazy. It's really, really, really great. And this perfume is for men who is orientated for the success and who is strong, attractive, he is respecting himself and other people around him. And if you are interested to get the first perfume samples of this Labours men fragrance, don't hesitate, shoot me the Facebook Messenger message and we will contact with you. That was our little review about Thymus vulgaris essential oils and how we are using that in general life and in our perfumery. Thanks a lot, and until next time.